The use of Brother genuine replacement high-yield ink cartridges like the LC103BK not only produces sharp, black pages with the quality you expect from Brother products, it increases productivity and can reduce downtime when fulfilled through Amazon-replenishment. The Brother LC103BK replacement ink cartridge is compatible with 17 Brother inkjet printers. This professional cartridge is intelligently engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother printer. The LC103BK is also an Amazon-replenishment eligible replacement cartridge. Upon activation, Amazon-replenishment eligible Brother printers will seamlessly order Brother genuine supplies through your Amazon account and ship them directly to your door. The Brother Genuine LC103BK replacement high-yield black ink cartridge can print approximately 600 pages in accordance with ISO, IEC 24711, letter A4 standards. Once you've ordered your replacement cartridges from Amazon, you can feel comfortable knowing that Brother has an environmentally smart solution. Brother is dedicated to being environmentally responsible and offers disposal programs for properly discarding its cartridges. This replacement cartridge is compatible with the following Brother printers: DCPJ152W, MFCJ245, MFCJ285DW, MFCJ4310DW, MFCJ4410DW, MFCJ450DW, MFCJ4510DW, MFCJ4610DW, MFCJ470DW, MFCJ4710DW, MFCJ475DW, MFCJ650DW, MFCJ6520DW, MFCJ6720DW, MFCJ6920DW, MFCJ870DW, MFCJ875DW. Approximate page yield in accordance with ISO, IEC 24711, letter A4 standards. Top reviews from the United States. Genuine Brother ink cartridge. Never a problem with genuine Brother ink cartridges. Price is a bit high, but in this case you get what you pay for. Tried a less expensive brand once, and print quality problems that we never had previously. Swapped out the off-brand cartridge with the Brother cartridge, and back to normal printing.